Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Friday 14 November 2025. UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 31, number 4, number 46, number 24, number 13, booster number 21. UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number 99% winning chance. Join now member only UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number first number 8, number 16, number 26, number 38, number 48, booster number 30. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now.